Hello, hello, hello. How are you today? Hello, hello, hello. Hooray! Greetings, boys and girls. How are you today? I'm Dazzleberry, and I am thrilled to be with you today. Now, boys and girls, today we are going to talk about the soft C and the soft G sounds. Ooh, soft. Now how did they get to be soft? And they were so hard before. Well, we're going to have to readjust our thinking. We are, but I'm going to put a reminder here. This letter C, my handy dandy little letter C, yes, and my handy dandy letter G. Yes, okay, our reminders. Now let me see. This C that we know as in cat, that's the hard C. We're not going to talk about the hard C today. No, 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 no. So I'm just going to put it away. All right, and the G, here we go, as in guitar. We're not going to talk about that today. No, 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 no. So I'm just going to put it away. Put it away. Now, what we are going to talk about are these vowels. Because these vowels, they are powerful. Everybody say, vowels are powerful. Vowels are powerful. Yeah, vowels do a lot of work in words. They glue those sounds together. They change sounds. They do things with words. I'm telling you. All right, so let's just review. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y. We can't leave that Y out, especially not today. But tell you what, we're not going to need all these vowels. So you know what? Just like you do in a math problem, you eliminate the information you just don't need. And today, we just don't need all these vowels. So let's get rid of the A. I'm just going to put it over here. And the O, we don't need the O. Not today. Nope. And the U. Oh. We don't need them. Bye-bye. And now we have E, I, and Y. E, I, and Y. All right. Well, here's the rule. When a C is followed by an E, when a C is followed by an I, when a C is followed by a Y, it makes the C sound soft. It sounds like S. Everybody say that sound. S. Say it again. S. It sounds like, that sounds like the letter S. Oh my. Well, let's say that rule again. Okay, when a C is followed by an E, when a C is followed by an I, when a C is followed by a Y, it makes the soft sound. It sounds like S, S, S. All right. Well, that's not all. When a G is followed by an E, when a G is followed by an I, when a G is followed by a Y, it makes the J sound. Oh, J. That sounds like the letter J. Oh my goodness. So you're telling me, well, I'm telling you that the C makes the S And the G makes the j, j sound when it's followed by an E, I, or Y. Let's say that one more time. Let's get it in our heads. Put those thinking caps on so you just don't forget. Alrighty, here we go. When a C is followed by an E. When a C is followed by an I. When a C is followed by a Y. It makes the sound. All right, here we go. When a G is followed by an E. When a G is followed by an I. When a G is followed by a J, it makes the sound. All right. Well, boys and girls, I think we're ready to read some words. What do you think? Uh-oh. That means it's time to play. What's in the bag? Ooh, I like that game. What's in the bag? Let's see here. Looky here. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you 3 clues. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. All right. Well, I'm round. And I'm a shape. And I have a C followed by an I in my name. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3. Guess it with me. Hey, who knows? I think you got it. Did you guess circle? Oh, wow. A circle. Okay. Well, you know what? Cough. Cough. I coughed. That starts with a C, but that C is not followed by a E, I, or a Y. So it has the k hard sound, okay? So let's get back to that soft C sound. Circle. Do you know how to spell circle, boys and girls? Spell it with me. C-I-R-C-L-E. That spells circle. Yes, indeed. Oh, wee. Now, you know what? It's time for me to find my handy dandy Pringles can. Okay, I'll be right back because I don't have to go very far because it's right here. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so we have, oh my goodness, how many letters are in here? You know, I think I better put the C and the G on top now and put these letters over here. Let's see, what have we here? Well, I tell you, I love building words, and I just love my handy dandy Pringles can, you know? Yes, indeed. What a way to reuse, honey. Remember, reuse, reduce, and recycle. Well, Dazzleberry reuses her Pringles can. Now, let's see. All these letters all scrambled up like that. Now, what in the world? Okay, let's see. What do we have here? Now, you guys help me. Let's see what we can do with these letters. I have an E. I have an L. Oh, I have another C. I'm spelling backwards, I think. But that's okay. It's going to work out. Ooh, looky here. did it. Circle. Yay! Give yourselves a pat on the back. Boop, 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 boop. Yes, because we spelled circle. And we see here, this C sounds like S. And it is followed by the letter I. See? When C is followed by EI or Y, it sounds like S. And that's what we have here. Well, boys and girls, I think we are ready to read some words. What do you think? Well, I have some words. And it might just be a challenge. You see that word? Challenge. 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 Have you had a challenge lately? Well, princess. Repeat after me. Princess. Princess. You see that? C-E? Princess. Oh, yes. You guys are cooking. Cooking with gas. Just got it. You got it. Legend. Legend has it that Dazzleberry was a sparkling lady. Dazzleberry. That's me. Okay. And let's see, what other words do we have here? Well, hinge. Hinge. The door fell off the hinge. Ooh, gotta get that repaired. Oh my goodness. And voice. Voice. I want to hear your big voice reading these words with me. Let's spell voice. V-O-I-C-E. Yes, you got it. All right. Well, now, boys and girls, I will tell you a little secret. I have some more words. Surprise, surprise. Huh. Okay. Yep, surprise. Yeah, you ready for some more words? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for words? Now you're supposed to say, yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready for words. Let's try it again. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for words? Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready for words. Uh-oh. Not so quick. Hold on just a second. Hello? Oh, well, hi, Miss Lime. How are you? Uh-huh. Well, we are almost done reading words. And yes, they're doing great. They are doing fantastic. Yes. Boys and girls, Miss Lime says, hello, 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 and how are you? Oh, I think they're fine. Yes. Okay, let me get back to this. Bye-bye. Okay, boys and girls, back to our words. Okay, wow. Here's a C followed by a Y. And in this case, the Y is making the I sound. So let's see, can you blend this word with me? Can you do it? All right. Cyclist. Remember now, this second C here, it's a hard C because it's followed by the letter L. And we know in order for it to be soft, it must be followed by what, boys and girls? That's right. E and I or a Y. And here we have the C followed by Y. Cyclist. Cyclist. Oh, the cyclist rode his bike for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles. Oh, region. region. There's that G, followed by an I. J. You hear that sound? J. Region. Well, the cyclist rode his bike for miles and miles in the mountainous region. Wow! Wow, way to go! Okay. Energy. That cyclist must have had lots of energy. Energy. Mm-hmm. Energy. Isn't that something? I wonder how far I can go. Probably down the block. Okay. Excite. Oh, be careful not to excite the children. Yes, they might run all over the place when they get excited. Okay, excite. You see that? C-I. Excite. All right, and now we have huge. That G is followed by E. Huge. Alrighty. Well, guys, now I tell you, this is a lot of fun learning these words. But there's more, just a few more. So let's take a little look-see. And I want you to try to read it first. I'm going to say it after you get a chance, okay? Here we go. Bouncing. You're right, bouncing. Very good. Okay. Emergency. You are on top, boys and girls. You are on top. Yes. Pencil. That's right. You got it. Center. Yes. You guys, I just love it. I like it. I love it. Largest. Uh-huh. And giant. Giant. All right. Good job. Mm-hmm. Good job. Uh-huh. GOODJOB. Good job. And now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, my friends. It's time to say goodbye until we meet again. It's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye, and see you next time. Oh. Like and subscribe. Oh, that's right. Like and subscribe to my video, to my channel. Like it or love it. Yes. Okay. Bye-bye.